Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Blender on your Windows computer. So let's see how we can do the installation of latest version of Blender on our latest operating system like Windows 11 or Windows 10. So at first we need to go google.com. So I'm going to type google.com and then the Google search page will be like this. Here I just need to type Blender and then hit enter key of our keyboard. So once we hit the enter key, then we'll find the search result of Blender. So blender.org, this is the main official website. So to download it, we just need to click here, and then after that, through the download, we can install Blender on our computer. So I'm going to click here to access Blender website. So right now it looks like this way, and here this is their home page of the Blender application. Okay, so what we need to do, there are a couple of links out there. There is a download button over here, and also there is download. So any download button is fine. We can click here to start downloading. Basically it will not download. We just need to choose the version which we want to download. So here it is showing like Windows installer, and it is 344 megabyte size, and right now it has 4.3.2 this version. But other version or other operating system Blender is also available. So you can click here, and then from here you can choose Windows installer like Windows Portable, Windows Microsoft Store. So there are like 5 different categories of Windows installer. Okay, and if you are using some other operating system like Mac or Linux or some other, you can also download those things. Even you can download the source code of Blender. So anyway, so I'm going to download it on the Windows machine. So I'm going to download this latest version from here. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will start downloading. So before downloading, it might sometimes give you this type of message like your download will start automatically if it didn't start download manually. So if your download is not start automatically, then you just need to click here. But I see the Blender is already started downloading here. So if I click here, I will see that this is like 345 megabyte of size and 3 minutes remaining. So this is downloading basically. But sometimes in case if you are unable to download, then you can click here, then it will manually download it. So once the download is finished, then you can only install it from your computer. Once the download of Blender has been finished, then we can access the folder where it downloaded. We can click here, or we can actually go to the downloads folder manually, and then we'll see the Blender application or software has been downloaded over there. Now we need to install. To install it, we just need to double click on top of it, and it will bring the installation window where there will be a message like welcome to the Blender setup wizard with 3 buttons. One button will be disabled, and these 2 buttons are there, next and cancel. To start the installation, we just need to press the next button. So I'm going to press this next button, and then it is bringing this type of license agreement page. From here we just need to click this checkbox to accept the terms in the license agreement, and we have to press the next button to go to the next step. So once we press the next button, then it will bring this screen, custom setup. Select the way you want features to be installed, and there are a couple of things there like see program files. So this is the installation location. For my case, I mean this Blender, it will be installed on my computer in this path location. If we want to change the path, we can also click browse, and we can choose the path where we want to download, or not download, we want to install. I'm going to cancel it because this default path is very fine for me, but if you want, you can change it. Now we need to press this next button to go to the next step. I'm going to press it, and then this is the final screen to start the installation. So all the customization whatever we did, we cannot modify later. So if we want to modify something which we completed before, then you need to go back, and if you are fine with this location or this type of feature, then just press next, and from here just press the install button to start the installation. So I'm going to press this install button, and very shortly it will bring this type of window. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, because we want to install it, and we know Blender is very good software because we download it from their official website. So here I'm going to press the yes button, and once I press yes button, then it will start showing like this, installing Blender, and there will be a progress bar. It will be completed very shortly. Till it completes, don't close this window, because if you close this window, Blender will not be installed completely, then you need to redo it from the beginning. So you need to wait till this green progress bar has been finished and you get the confirmation message like Blender has been installed successfully, some type of this message, and then you will find there will be a button like finish or complete button. So let's wait till it finished, like this type of progress bar to complete the installation. Yes, and it finished, and then we find this final screen completed the Blender setup wizard. So this is giving us message this thing. Now we can actually uncheck this thing, learn how to support Blender. We can uncheck, and then we can press the finish button to complete the installation. And once it is completed, the installation window will be gone. Now we can remove this thing because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to press delete button here, and it will be deleted. And I'm going to close the window, and also I'm going to minimize this browser. Now if we click the start menu, and from the search box, if we type Blender, Blender, then we'll see the Blender application is there, and if we click here, it will be open shortly. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily install Blender on our computer. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to download and install Blender on your computer, and if you have any question or issues, please put it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. Oh, one more